Hello guys, as you noticed, I disappeared for several months. The fact is, I go into the long time creation process of new project. We decided to create a new section on our channel, which will come out more often than main videos. We're gonna start doing product reviews. And my brother, who was still behind the camera, will doing that. Meet him.
Hello guys. The product review videos you will recognize by the thumbnail. We're gonna add some new icons to them so that you know that the videos are about the review. So today we're gonna start our first review video for e-bike from FIIDO.com. It's a FIIDO D3Pro e-bike. So go ahead.
FIIDO D3Pro. That's a very tiny e-bike. I will start with the price because this is the decisive factor for many people. E-bikes can cost quite a lot of money. At the time of the recording of this video, you can purchase it for $599 instead of $699. It has 250 watt powerful brushless gearless motor, which has lower power consumption, and it has greater starting torque. The whole bike weight is only 17.5 kg. Always ready post pump. Special equipped with seat post pump, the pump mechanism is hidden inside the seat post, and the post pump can always be ready. No more fear about any complex road conditions. It will ensure the carefree riding for every cool rider. The battery is hidden in the frame and configured with a maximum battery capacity of 7.8 ampere. It only takes 5 hours to fully charged. The FIIDO D3Pro has 3 switch modes. Equipped with electric, moped and pedal modes, the automatic induction for switching between electric and power-assisted modes. When turning the accelerator, it will automatically be in electric mode. If the accelerator is not applied, the pedal is in electric assisted mode. This bike has a very good braking system on the brake discs. On a single battery charge, you can ride about 60 kilometers. Of course, the LED lighting is also provided. You don't have to buy anything for this bike. Everything is included. FIIDO D3Pro, link below in description.